Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf once again after quite some while because I was busy. So, first of all, we are going to be talking about a lot in this video, like Bitcoin touching 100k, my new Ethereum position, short position, why I took a short on Ethereum, and all the dark reality behind Bitcoin, each and everything. So, this will be a very interesting and a long video. So let's get straight to the point. First of all, Bitcoin just crossed 100k level and all-time high was $104,000, and yeah, pretty nice right now. But at what cost did the Bitcoin price reach 100k level? That's the important question. The whole crypto industry, the whole ecosystem, Bitcoin industry, whatever you wanna call it, paid a price so that they can see Bitcoin touching 100k level. And what's that price? Price that government are now getting involved in crypto, especially in Bitcoin. Big companies are now taking control of crypto. And if you have read the white paper of Bitcoin, you already know that Bitcoin was made for decentralized use, P2P, and obviously no censorship. However, I don't think that right now any of these things are being followed by Bitcoin, because there is full participation of governments and big companies that are controlling the supply of Bitcoin right now, and they are controlling majority of the Bitcoin, and they are controlling Bitcoin obviously. So what's the point of Bitcoin then? Because Bitcoin is not being used as P2P at all. It is only being used as a, I would say, investment tool, like digital gold. People are just buying Bitcoin without any reason. That's why you will hear some people saying that Bitcoin is worthless. The value of Bitcoin is nothing but just out of thin air internet money. Yes, it is true, because there is no use case of Bitcoin left right now. The ecosystem of Bitcoin can't even handle 1,000 transactions per second, and this is the truth. Bitcoin now is not being used as P2P transaction or decentralized this and that, nothing. Every single thing, the opposite is happening to what was written in the white paper from Satoshi Nakamoto. And this is very sad, because everyone right now who is bullish on Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin, they think that yes, Bitcoin is the future, this and that. No, blockchain is the future, yes. Cryptocurrency is the future, yes. But Bitcoin is literally a bubble that will burst soon, for sure. And this government right now, government is trying to manipulate the social media and the overall articles, the media, and that's why everywhere you will only see influencers talking about Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is pumping. If you have bought this much amount of Bitcoin at this year, you would have made this much. Bitcoin is pumping, and just stuff like that. And the governments are doing this because obviously they want to protect their US dollars. It's simple as that, because the Bitcoin's main purpose is to replace the dollar. Simple, right? But obviously right now the Bitcoin's purpose was to replace the US dollar, but right now it is not happening at all. People think that yes, we will sell our dollar and will buy our Bitcoin. No, that is not happening at all, because government is taking all the money from its people and putting it into Bitcoin. So what's the point of Bitcoin then, when dollar and Bitcoin become the same? And in the future, these big companies and governments will try to increase the supply of Bitcoin from 21 million supply, and this will happen for sure, because you see there is a simple supply of 21 million of Bitcoin, and right now the government is running some propagandas and all the media and all of this are making hype of Bitcoin right now, that buy Bitcoin, this is the future, buy ETF, this and that. This will obviously rise the Bitcoin's price, but at what cost? Nothing. It is out of thin air, and the government will then try to increase the supply of Bitcoin from 21 million, and then they will quietly sell all their Bitcoin. Now let me tell you one more thing. Michael Saylor, I hope you already know Michael Saylor. He is on every single interview, and I was thinking that why is Michael Saylor on every single interview? Why are you even interviewing him? Like, okay, one or two interview or podcast or whatever, it is okay, but he is going to be repeating the same thing again and again and again. Then why are you making him like a king, like a huge celebrity? What special he is doing? Nothing. He is just trying to manipulate people. Also, one more thing you will notice, that big companies and governments and big influencers, I would say, everybody first informs in public that yes, we are going to be buying this much amount of Bitcoin and this much at this price, this and that, but they never tell you that when are they selling. They never make their wallets public at all, because they will quietly sell on you guys only when you guys will be their exit liquidity, and all they are doing is just FOMO. That's it. It's like a dot-com bubble. It's like a 2008 real estate, where people think this is the future, prices rising in a straight line. But who makes the money? The governments, the banks makes the money, the big companies makes the money. And the same is with Bitcoin network also. When mass selling happens, the price of Bitcoin will crash literally to $10,000 easily. Right now you can see price of Bitcoin is at 100k. No, this is not the real price. This is the inflationary fake manipulated price because of USDT Tether, because they are just printing their stupid coins out of nowhere that people believe are pegged to dollar, and so they just dump that into Bitcoin or any other crypto. And this is the reason today, this is one of the reason, I would say, the price of Bitcoin is at 100k level. But this soon will be the reason, and or I said this will be one of those reasons when the price will go all the way down till $10,000 for sure, very easily. So I will highly recommend you guys to read a book called as Bitcoin Hijack. Do read it. Very knowledgeable book, and you will be above the 99% people out there who are just watching those influencers videos and just reading their tweets on the internet that yes, Bitcoin is bullish, Bitcoin is this and that. There is no use case of Bitcoin right now left at all, and the price that you see right now is pumping. It is because of manipulation from Tether, MicroStrategy, and other big companies, and it is literally internet fake money right now. So I hope you guys now understand, and I will also highly recommend, I did recommend it in my past videos, do follow Peter Skiff Twitter account as well. And from Twitter I have to show you a few things, so let's get to my Twitter. So recently I made this tweet 22 hours ago. You can clearly see this chart right here from CoinGraph, and this chart represents the top 5 Bitcoin holders. Right now owns 15% of the supply. Can you imagine? Coinbase, Binance. And first of all, let me clear one more thing, that you guys think that Coinbase, Binance is trusted, right? First of all, let me tell you that Bitcoin's one purpose was that you control your Bitcoin, because you have the ownership of your wallet, you have your keys, no one can control it, right? But these exchanges where you deposit your money, your crypto or your Bitcoin, like Coinbase or Binance, they are custodian wallets, or I would say custodian accounts. They take your crypto in custody, and as soon as you deposit your crypto in them, it is no longer your crypto at all. You are giving your crypto's custody to someone else, and if they want, and they will, they can easily block your account with any rubbish reason, and then guess what, you lost all your crypto in just one go. And Coinbase, Binance, they are all are doing these things, and the government are trying to control these exchanges, taking all the information out from these exchanges. And yeah, this is the reality. So don't trust any exchange also, and it is very very risky out there. And it is not even wallet, it is custodian accounts. These exchanges use the term wallet, but it is not a wallet, it is a custodian account. So, and also ETF is literally, you are giving your money, real money, to a company that is buying Bitcoin on your behalf. Basically you own nothing, not even your money, not even your Bitcoin. You own nothing. You just see that on your screen that you own Bitcoin, but in reality you own nothing at all. And when the time comes, these companies can literally reject you by saying that any rubbish reason, and you will lost control over your Bitcoin. And right now, look closely, top 10 Bitcoin holders control 15% of the supply of Bitcoin. So you can clearly see, and this is just 15% now, and I'm pretty sure this will soon reach 51%. And as soon as this reaches 51%, these top 10 Bitcoin holders can manipulate the whole Bitcoin ecosystem easily, and they can increase the supply from 21 million, as I just said, or they can dump, including the governments. And when the price starts to dump, you can't even sell your Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin blockchain is not made to handle many transactions. Only transactions that are willing to pay millions of dollars in fees will be able to process the transaction. And guess what, who can pay millions of dollars in just fees? Obviously government and these companies only. So all in one go, I have to say that the Bitcoin has lost its purpose. And do read the book Bitcoin Hijack, you will gain a lot of knowledge. And right now the price of Bitcoin is pumping. It is clearly manipulation, it is clearly of propaganda, and when the time comes, this bubble will burst. It's better to look for cryptocurrencies that literally really serves the purpose of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has failed to do that. And many insiders or many people have already manipulated in the Bitcoin ecosystem. So try to look for crypto that actually serves the purpose of Bitcoin. All right, and I won't name any crypto right now. I know a few, but I won't, because obviously nothing is financial advice. But I can make a separate video just for knowledge only. So yeah, do let me know in the comments below. So I hope you guys saw that tweet from me. So enough of the reality, now let's get to trading, and let's see the charts right now. First of all, let me explain why I went short on Ethereum right over here. I informed you guys on my Twitter as well. Do follow me on my Twitter. Link is in the description and the pinned comments. So the main reason I went short on Ethereum is, first of all, I told you guys that I will only trade on my levels. Whenever the price of Ethereum is near my level, then only I will take a trade. And I informed you guys this important purple zone of resistance from $3,800 all the way up till approx $4,000. This is a very important resistance, and price of Ethereum did a breakout of this important white zone, did a retest perfectly, and I knew that the price of Ethereum will go all the way up till $4,000 level, and it did went. But if you look closely, price of Ethereum exactly closed below it. It did went all the way up till $4,080, but it closed exactly inside my purple zone. And after this closing, I was pretty sure that the price of Ethereum has to dump from here. Why? Because obviously it is pumping a lot, in a straight line, not enough correction right here. Yes, we have seen some small corrections like this, but not a big correction at all. We have not seen any big correction at all. And also you can clearly see volume is pretty less. This is the candle with very high volume, and this green candle very less volume. So, and these three obviously very less volume. So this is the main reason. Basically it's just normal technical analysis that the price of Ethereum is failed to cross the $4,000 level mark. So I'm going short here. Obviously this trade can turn out to be a loss as well because of the manipulation of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is a very risky trade, and if you're watching my videos for quite some time, you already know that I am very cautious while taking a short trade, because obviously the price is getting manipulated in the upside and anything can happen. Technicals can also not work when the price is getting manipulated. But yeah, this is my trade right over here. Simple technical analysis. Because of resistance I went short. So currently my take profit is $3,530. This white level right over here, white zone, and my stop loss is at $4,160 level approx. Very tight stop loss I'm taking over here. 1:2 trade. So let's see how this trade plays out. I mean, I would say I'm not confident that the Ethereum can come till $3,500 level because of the manipulation happening in the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But let's see how far the Ethereum's price can dump. I will trail my stop loss as well, so I will inform you guys on my Twitter. In my last video I talked about that in my next upcoming video I will inform you guys why the recently all the altcoins are pumping, because we saw that after the US election every other altcoin was pumping, and I told you guys that at that time I didn't have any knowledge why the altcoins are pumping. However, right now I've done some research and I will share that with you guys, that why major altcoins like Stellar, XRP and other cryptos started to pump after the US election. So first of all, talking about Stellar, and obviously you can clearly see Stellar started to pump a lot because of Trump's win and Gary Gensler stepping down, because Trump literally said that I will fire Gary Gensler. So obviously Gary Gensler is against crypto and overall things. And not only this, but Grayscale filed a 10K form which revealed that this company owns Stellar, and as soon as this was public, the Stellar's price started to pump a lot. And if you guys don't know, Grayscale is an asset management firm that manages digital currencies, like obviously crypto. They manage crypto. So if it is revealed that in the 10K filed form, if it is revealed that they hold Stellar, that will be a lot of bullish. And talking about XRP, Ripple, then obviously the main reason was Gary Gensler again stepping down, because Gary Gensler was the main reason why XRP was not pumping, and I would say a bad time for XRP. But as soon as Gary Gensler is stepping down, the price of XRP is started to pump. And not only this, but the SEC has Security Exchange Commission has closed the case against Ripple. Can be closed. I'm not saying it has closed, but it can be closed because obviously Gary is stepping down, and obviously Trump winning the election. That's the main reason. And not only this, but asset manager Wisdom Tree. So Wisdom Tree is an asset manager. It launched Wisdom Tree physical XRP ETP in Europe. So that is also very bullish for XRP. These are the main reasons why Stellar and XRP started to pump a lot, and obviously other altcoins are also following them, and mostly they are all also pumping. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand. pretty long video, but it is a very knowledgeable video, so do watch it carefully. And I have given some hidden steps that you can follow, so do follow those steps to be at the top and way above the 99%. So yeah, if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar, XRP, or you want to buy, you can do that on Bybit or any other exchange. Yes, these are centralized exchange for trading and buying and selling crypto. You can make another wallet, personal wallet, that you can keep it safe, obviously, because no one can trust these centralized exchanges. And yeah, currently this is it. Do follow me on my Twitter as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.